We got a repairability test at 3 Sitting Circle. That's in Anderson County, South Carolina. We got a 3-tab roof. I got my tools, got my hammer, my spatula, and the roof snake. And the area right there, you can see where I'm going to be working at. And let's get started. Got this at the 45-degree angle, nice and easy, so I can get my nail out and you can see it at the same time. Come on, fella. Okay, so we took out the old one, and let's put this one back in. I don't have another shingle with me, so So hopefully you saw me in the video that I'm doing a 45-degree angle when I was taking my nails out. So now I'm not be using a 45-degree angle because I gotta put my nail back in and giving enough room for my hammer to swing without me damaging the shingle. this edge over here just ripped on me. I barely even touched the shingle and it ripped. I don't have my glove on me, but even though this stuff gonna hurt. So let's get up close look here. You can see I got a crease there. I'm getting creases right here. I'm getting, you can see that? There's creases right here. So me just taking out one old shingle and putting that same old shingle back in, it causes shingle crease on the shingles. So that tells us that this shingle is pretty much brittle. If we do type of repair on this roof, it will cause more damage here than actually do any type of repairs. From my understanding, I believe this will will need a full roof replacement on this one. Thank you for your time.